Honda in the making of a new CBR250RR-R. Featuring an all-new inline 4-cylinder engine, along with aggressive styling similar to the current CBR lineup. The bike will also get a new chassis, USD forks, new vertical linkage rear suspension system, full LED lighting, full-color TFT display, and dual-channel ABS. In terms of rider aids, the bike will most likely feature traction control, quick shifter and riding modes. The new CBR250RR-R is expected to be launched in the coming year and will compete with the likes of Kawasaki Ninja ZX-25R.